The packet you received from us also contains an Advance Medical Directive. The Advance Medical Directive is one of 2 documents that are part of your incapacity plan. That is the plan for what happens to you if you get to the point where you can't make decisions for yourself. Your Advance Medical Directive has a number of things that are important that you should pay attention to. The first is that it names an agent for you to make decisions if you get to the point where you're unable to make them on your own. Now, this agent's name is on the very top of the first page, and there's also probably or hopefully one or more backup agents there. We recommend naming several backup agents to make sure that someone is in a position to make decisions for you if you ever get to where you can't make them on your own. The next part of the document that you'll see is a list of all the authority that you're giving your agent. And generally, we encourage folks to make this as broad as possible. And this way, your agent is able to deal with whatever situation comes up. On the final part of the document, you'll notice there's several sections about 2 specific situations, one of which is if you become terminally ill, and the other is if you become in a vegetative state. And we followed the information you gave us on your questionnaire in filling these out. If you didn't fill them out entirely, we put down information based on our conversation during the consultation or the intro call. However, please read these carefully and let us know if you have any questions. We'll be happy to make changes here. Also, if you have any religious beliefs that you let us know about, we may have included them here if you indicated that that was something that you wanted. Finally, you'll notice that your document either does or does not contain a trigger. And a trigger is a specific rule that limits when the document can be used. And so if you have a trigger in the document, it means that your medical directive can't be used until a doctor makes a finding that you are incompetent. Now, this is not as big a deal here as it is with the financial power of attorney, but it does make advanced medical directives harder to use if before using it, your agent has to go and find a doctor to make a determination that you're incompetent. However, on the other side, if you don't have it, there's a chance that an agent could get access to information about you before you wanted them to or when you didn't want them to. So you have to weigh that decision. Do you want to make the document easier to use, or do you want to protect against somebody using it when they shouldn't? As always, if you have any questions about the Advanced Medical Directive, we're more than happy to go through them with you.